Welcome! Today we're diving into the fascinating world of garage doors. Let's start with the basics. The door itself, made up of panels that move up and down on tracks. Now, guiding these panels are the tracks, which are essential for smooth operation. Alongside the tracks, rollers help the door glide effortlessly up and down. Above, you'll find the torsion spring, crucial for balancing the door's weight. This spring does the heavy lifting, making it easier to raise and lower the door manually or with a motor. Speaking of motors, the opener is the heart of an automated garage door system. This device powers the movement, controlled remotely for your convenience. Lastly, safety sensors play a vital role. Located near the base of the door, these sensors stop the door if something obstructs its path, protecting your family and belongings. Thanks for watching. Discount Garage Doors, LLC. You can't say our name without mentioning a discount.